What up? It's your boy, Boss Up with K. Boss Up, baby. We back at ECO Suites Studios. I'm building out my own video production space. So stay tuned for that. Have a new studio set up. Bring y'all better quality content centered around this gig and passive income and entrepreneurial space. Now, many of you know I am a serial entrepreneur, not just a gig driver, not just a gig economy YouTuber, not just a YouTuber. I make my money in various different ways. One is courier work. Another one is actually having a brick and mortar business here at ECO Suites, investing, social media marketing. I manage other people's businesses as well, consulting, so many different things. But in the spirit of building and growing and getting out the 9 to 5 rat race and making my own money, I have now reached a point where I am making over $10,000 a month from all my various businesses, as well as I have a W-2 income. Yes, I work at night as a IT professional. So during the daytime, I'm doing things, I'm driving around, running my business. At night, I use my W-2 income to invest in more businesses. So that's the name of the game. People are out here trying to just get out the 9 to 5 rat race because they hate their job, but then going into other things and not being successful. Use your 9 to 5 income to build up to these other type businesses. And another type business I have today for you guys is DCS delivery, courier business. If you have a van, a box truck, a large sedan, SUV, you can do this job. Now, no long talk, no long intros. Let's get straight to the meat of this company, DCS. Let's see where they are. Boom. Pretty much all in the South. We got a little Northeast, but Midwest, they're expanding. They're coming to Midwest. So if you're in the Midwest and you're watching this video, I appreciate you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I got more content on this channel and more content on the way for you guys sitting around courier work in the Midwest. But if you're in the South or West Coast, let's go. Now, this company has does healthcare, mainly medical courier work. They also do some auto part delivery, some last mile delivery. I did a reel a while back stating that trucking is getting replaced by railroad, meaning long haul trucking is so expensive for fuel, drivers, insurance, all that stuff. It's cheaper to just to build a train track that goes directly to certain cities, major hubs, and then getting a truck from that major city just to drive around the city and drop off the goods for maybe only $500 versus having a truck go from the port like Savannah all the way up to Atlanta or all the way up to like Nashville or Tennessee somewhere. It might be $1,200. So you're shortening the fees. So the game is changing. Last mile is going to be a lot more profitable than over the road truck drivers pretty soon. So get you a van, get you a box truck, use business credit if you cannot stack your money up to do so, and get on out there. And this is one of the companies that does the last mile delivery like I'm talking about. All right. So every time I talk about these companies, I preach to you guys the importance of not just coming up here and filling out a little form like this and hoping you hear back from somebody. No, no, no. We go a step further. We're going to call these numbers. And if you're close enough to some of these satellite locations here in Nevada or Texas or Florida, then pull up on them. Now, I actually called the company. I'm going to show you guys some of the things I do when I find new companies like this and I'm interested in working with them. Now, I didn't have success of landing a contract or getting more better information or getting actual job on the phone, but I'm going to let you guys hear the conversation I had, just kind of the intro or some of the things you need to say to get to the person in charge. And I'm still waiting on the phone call back from these guys, but take a look at me, calling DCS and trying to get in contact with the person in charge. All right, about to call DCS, see they got anything for cargo vans, anything like that. This is how you contact these companies after you put your application in online. You call them and you try to get a response. If I get a response. Now, this company is based out of California, but it still should be time for them to be there. It's 11 o'clock my time.
Thank you for calling DCS. This is Bill. How may I help you?
How you doing, Bill? My name is Kevin. I found your website online. See you guys operate in Georgia. I'm a cargo van operator with a 2022 high roof van. I'm looking to see if you guys, or I can speak with somebody who's in charge of hiring drivers.
Hey, one moment, please.
All right. All right, so they got past the gatekeeper, got past the first person. Now we need to get to the person that's in charge of actual hiring.
Hi, this is John. I'm currently away from my desk. Go ahead and leave a name, number, and a message, and I'll return your call as soon as possible. Thank you.
How you doing, John? My name is Kevin. I'm based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and I have a 2022 Ford Transit 250 high roof, and I'm looking to get started in doing some routes, dedicated routes or on-demand routes for you guys based out of Georgia. If you can give me a call back, 404. My name is Kevin with Flash Fleet ATL, looking to get started with my cargo van with your company, possibly with on-demand or contract work, 404. Thank you. Didn't actually get a hold of the person, but you kind of see the process. You get past the gatekeeper. You know who the person to ask for, the person that's in charge of hiring drivers, or the person that's in charge of this human resources, period. So you want to get to the decision makers. You want to get them on the phone. That way you have a better success of getting hired on these contracts. And hopefully he gives me a call back and I'll let you know how it go. So as you see, I had a little success getting past the gatekeeper, but I did not have much success of actually talking to the person in charge. I left a voicemail. I'm recording this video about 2 days later. I still haven't got a phone call back, but that's not going to stop me, because Monday morning I'm going to call again and leave another voicemail, as well as email the guy, since I have his name on there. I'm pretty sure I can find his email address through the company directory, or just kind of by playing just off how corporate emails work. It's usually a first name dot last name followed by the email address. So I'm gonna try that, send them an email, see if I can get some replies for you guys and how much they pay. You dig? But as you see, they are hiring. And let's talk about some of the services they provide. So if you're a professional driver, they're looking for professional drivers. You just click there, click on get started, and it's going to take you to that, back to that page, that sign up page. But you see some of the things they're looking for. You tracking delivery, make sure you meet the expectations. They're going to give you a uniform and everything to wear while you're doing your deliveries. Here are some of the things. So they got cars, box trucks, vans, tractor trailers, any type of vehicle. And like I said, you can call them. All right. So that is DCS. Not going to make this video long as it needs to be, but you see the things you need to do. How I found this was simply a Google search for couriers in America. Kind of did a more broader nationwide search, and I kept seeing this company come up in southern states. So I actually just went and Googled their website and did some research for you guys. Now, once I get started with them, I'm going to bring you a video for it. But until then, I always like to bring you the information. I don't gatekeep. If I find out about a new company, I'm putting you guys on. Even if I can't get on drive with them, I still will provide the information. If they suck, they're terrible. If you guys have already driven for them, you know about them, drop a comment down below. Let other people know that this company is not the move. Or if you had success with this company, and it's a great company to work for, let them know that, where you are, how much you're getting paid, and how do you like working with DCS. All right. All right. Until next time. Boss up, baby. Okay, man. Check out some videos. Check out new video. Y'all see my new DoorDash, Roadie video. Roadie with a dab wrench. All right, so check out my channel. I got all types of videos on here. If you're sticking around to this end of this video, I want to show you guys how you can just search through playlists. I have stock investing playlists, gig app playlists, food delivery playlist, medical courier companies. I got different couriers by different states. So you just go to find, there it is, find it, and then you can find all the companies in your area. All right, later on, baby. Boss up.